Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do a ton of cleaning. I basically spent this whole day cleaning. The day before I had tackled my downstairs with what little needed to be done, but today is all about the upstairs, bedroom, bathroom, everything. You'll see before my bedroom was a disaster, so let's go ahead and hop into it. I do want to take a minute to say welcome to the channel. If you are new, I recently hit 200 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. That's fantastic. It makes me so happy. This channel here is a lifestyle channel. I do cleaning, organization, I post family vlogs of trips that we take and our day-to-day life. My name is Brandy and I do work full-time outside the home. I'm married and I have an 8-year-old son, and in addition to working full-time outside the home, I also do some things on the side to earn extra income because my husband recently started his own business. So while he grows that business, I do things here and there to help with that, and I did recently post a video about that I'll link below if you guys are interested. But yeah, thanks again for joining the channel. Please hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I post, and feel free to scour the channel and see if there are any other videos that pique your interest. Here in the bedroom, our sheets needed to be washed, everything needed to be dusted. I don't know how things get so dusty. We don't let our cat upstairs. I just don't get it, but nonetheless it happens and it's gross. So anyway, I took this time to dust, do our sheets. We've all been fighting a cold. I don't know if you guys have, but it seems to be going around. So I just wanted to make sure everything was clean and disinfected. So I knew at grocery pickup this week I wanted some scent boosters, and I ran across this Snuggle scent online, so I picked it up. At first I thought the scent was going to be a little overwhelming, but it's still sticking around a few days later and makes everything still smell so fresh, so I highly recommend these scent boosters if you guys are looking for some. Something else I also like to do with the scent boosters is sprinkle them on my carpet or on my hard floor and vacuum them up, and it just helps to get a nice fresh scent throughout the house. Although on this day what I did was make a homemade carpet deodorizer. So I just mixed a cup of baking soda, put my favorite essential oil for this, which is lemon. You can use any scent that you want, and then I sprinkle it on the carpet, wait a little bit, and vacuum it up. You do want to let it sit on your counter for probably about an hour to let the baking soda and lemon mix, and then once you put it on the carpet, let it sit for about 15 minutes. While letting that carpet deodorizer set, I did decide to go ahead and do some things in the kitchen. Like I said, the rest of the house was done. I had vacuumed and mopped the day before and dusted as well, but the kitchen just needed a little love, so I hopped in here to do that. And I do want to show you guys these cute kitchen towels I got a while ago in Target's Dollar Spot. I don't know if you guys like country music, but these lyrics are from a Blake Shelton song, and when I saw them, I just loved them so much, so I had to pick them up. I don't want to be that person, but I kind of feel like I need to iron these. They just look so wrinkly now that I'm looking at them. If you guys are anything like me, when you're watching cleaning videos, you sometimes can't understand why the person is vacuuming the floor or dusting because you can't tell how dirty it is because of how far away the camera is. So I wanted to show you guys this is how dusty our desk is in my room and why I needed to dust. It's just gross. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and dust it up. So I shared this tip in my cleaning tips video, but what I use to dust with, clean mirrors with, clean bathrooms with is old rags that I've either used out of clothes or I've bought cleaning towels or whatever. And I actually got this idea from a house cleaner that we used to use before my husband left his job. But she suggested the idea of just collecting any old clothes that we didn't wear anymore, that were kind of ratty, and we tore them apart and made cleaning cloths. So it saves money, it saves paper towels, and after I just wash them up and use them for next time. So that's what I'm using here. What do you guys like to do to pass the time while you're cleaning? I know some people watch TV, some people watch movies. My favorite thing to do is listen to music. You may be able to see here on the computer I'm listening to Pandora. So that's my favorite thing to do. It just helps everything go by so fast. I've been into 90s radio lately. I've been watching YouTube videos of Do Teens Know 90s Music, and it brought me back. That's my favorite era of music. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to do to pass the time when you're cleaning. So much dusting, you guys. I've heard that some furniture polishes work better than others for kind of keeping the dust from collecting on your furniture. Do you guys know anything about that, or is there a furniture polish that you could recommend that you feel like you don't have to dust as much when you use it? If so, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to give it a try. I love this headboard we got a few months ago, guys. It was custom made by a friend. I sent him ideas from Pinterest and he made it for us. So it's awesome. I love it so much. I wouldn't trade it for the world, but it is another dust collector. I did decide to go ahead and pop into the bathroom here and vacuum that because I knew I was going to be doing the bathroom from top to bottom anyway. I think second to vacuuming, making my bed is the thing I love the most about cleaning. I don't know why. I don't even make my bed every day, but there's something about a made bed that just puts a room together. So I was excited once the sheets were done and I could put those on, but I did go ahead and decide to wash my quilt. We hadn't washed it since we bought it just because we sleep with a sheet in between, plus it's pretty delicate, so I wasn't able to fully make the bed here, but I will a little later in the video. While that quilt was washing, I hop into the bathroom. The bathroom is probably my least favorite thing to clean, and it's mostly because of the shower. It's just such a pain and takes such a toll on my back, but having the detachable shower head does help a ton. To be honest with y'all, I really just like to use disinfecting wipes in here, so I was kind of bummed that I had ran out of those. I didn't realize until I used them again. I hadn't used them for a while, and I bought them recently, and I ran out. I didn't realize how convenient they were, so I think I'm going to pick up some more of those. They're just super convenient when you need to wipe up a quick spill or in the bathroom of all places to disinfect and clean. Those wipes are also my favorite for cleaning the toilet, again, because it's a 2-in-1 disinfectant and cleaner. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any particular wipes you guys like the most. I recently tried the Clorox. It's like a coconut scent. They smell so good, but they are so expensive. We're talking like $5 a container, and a mama just doesn't have that money to spend all the time. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys like. I think I'm gonna just pick up some Great Value, which is Walmart's generic brand, and see what I think of those. I've seriously been thinking about getting a new vacuum lately. You'll notice I had to use the big one in here, and I also had to use the stick vacuum to get in the little corners. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have found one that is great, but that also will not cost me my firstborn. I need to know, do any other cleaning or lifestyle YouTube mamas watch this? And if so, do you struggle with getting good angles for cleaning your shower? I really want to show you guys this because there are some really grungy spots, but it is awkward. My bathroom and shower were just not made for getting good camera angles. Moving on to my son's room, I not only needed to vacuum and dust in here, make his bed, but I also wanted to figure out something I could do to make him a little more space in his room. He's been wanting to do Legos a lot lately, and as you can see, the table that we have is kind of taking up space, so we're thinking about trying to make some room in the floor here. I also decided to take this time to go through his toys and organize those. He was busy, wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, so it was a good time for Mama to purge. Don't leave me hanging here, moms and dads. Do you guys do this too when your kids aren't paying attention or they're gone? I feel like it's such a good time to do it, and my son doesn't realize the toys are missing from his room. Sometimes he'll see a couple of things in my closet, and he knows that things in my closet are either going to be donated or going to consignment, but he rarely asks to have anything back or keep anything. So, and when he realizes the toy isn't gone, I know for sure, okay, this can go. He doesn't even realize it's not there anymore. So anyway, let me know in the comments down below if you guys do that too. I have a feeling I'm not the only parent. Something extra special I'm doing for my son today is making his bed. Like I mentioned earlier, we don't really make our beds that often. I do love the way it makes a room feel and how tidy it looks, but in the grand scheme of day-to-day things, it's just something we don't do. So I thought I would surprise him here and make his bed for him. He has expressed how much he loves it when his bed is made in this way, so maybe I'll teach him how to do it. But for today, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for him and surprise him. I've been thinking lately about redecorating his room, not changing the paint or anything, but going with some kind of theme. I want to get rid of, obviously, some of his baby pictures, just make it more of a big kid room. Let me know what you guys think. I want something pretty versatile. I don't want something that I'm ever really going to have to change that much as he gets older. That's why we've never done anything like full-blown Mickey or just babyish, because I knew that was something that we would have to change. So let me know in the comments below if you guys can think of any themes that are pretty versatile for growing boys. So here I am tackling these toys that I told you guys I was going to go through. A lot of these toys are from when he was a toddler. They're just things he doesn't need anymore. Like this, there's a cash register with fake money. He's 8 years old. He can count real money now. So just things like that. Some pretend tools. And let's face it, these shelves get so cluttered and it makes it even harder to clean once everything piles up. So I set some things aside to donate, I set some things aside to take to consignment, and then there are some things that are just trash that I can throw away. I did want to point out to you guys, and you probably haven't noticed and can't notice because he has so many stuffed animals, but I did go through his stuffed animals and he still has all of that left that's on his changing table, and then he has the mesh thing that was in camera view earlier full of animals, and I have a trash bag full that I'm able to get rid of. He has no idea they're gone. He has no idea what animals are missing. But guys, when I was going through these, some of them were even sentimental to me. I couldn't part with them. I don't know what's going on. This may just be something that I keep and put in the attic when he's too old for them, and I'll give them to my grandbabies. Like I mentioned earlier, we've all been fighting a cold, so I needed to clean up his countertop here where I had some essential oils diffusing for him, and there were miniature medicine cups everywhere. I also needed to clean the sink, all the toothpaste gunk stuck on, so you parents know what I'm talking about there. I wanted to disinfect the toilet and clean the bathtub nicely as well. Liam didn't have such a mess in his bathtub this time as he had in a prior video. I'll link that one down below. As you can see here, he has some Crayola bath paint, and the bathtub was just a disaster. It looked like a scene from a horror film. But this time it wasn't too bad, so I was able to get it clean pretty quickly. Alright y'all, as promised, we're back in the bedroom here to make the bed. The quilt is finished washing and drying. As you can see, it's near the end of the day here. I'm already in my pajamas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some cleaning motivation. Please share it with your friends if they need some cleaning motivation too. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon too if you want to be notified when I upload. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great week. Bye!